A little over a year ago, I began my journey to the crown, wearing tiara of my dreams, keeping faith in my heart, and with my parents showering their blessings on me. I became the first Indian to participate and represent India in Miss Cuba International. In my family, I was the princess, and my dream of wearing that very prestigious crown became a reality when my name echoed amidst the glittering grand evening of Miss Cuba International 2016 finale.
Miss Cuba International 2016. It goes to Miss Cuba India, Varsha Rashkova. Congratulations!
A ray of stardom shone on me that moment. Tiny pearls of joy rolling down my cheeks, I took the opportunity to pay homage to the Almighty for this beautiful gift to me and to my country. My life was always full of adventure and travel. I acquired my master's degree in environmental science, specializing in wastewater engineering. I'm a professional model, a dance choreographer, also competed internationally in Latin and ballroom dance. One of the proudest moments for me and my family was the grand welcome my country gave me, befitting a queen and in a very traditional Indian style. Along with the crown came immense responsibility. My reign as Miss Cuba International gave me the opportunity to travel across the world, exploring the beauty of different places like Hong Kong, Shanghai, Malaysia, and Beijing. I visited numerous dive expos, dive resorts, dive schools, where I met divers, explorers, photographers, dive experts, and I also endorsed dive equipments, jewelries, and many others. I was also fortunate to visit two of the 7 wonders of the world, the Great Wall of China and Taj Mahal in India. I got to work with different dive, environment, and ocean-related organizations like IKEA, Luxfer, FinKick Adventure, Team Miracle, Green India Consulting, and Smart Aqua Technologies. I also had the opportunity to share my Miss Cuba International experience at the Underwater Festival in Mumbai and Pune. During my pageant, I made friends from different countries, learned about different languages, culture, and dive stories. Miss Cuba International is not just an organization, but a family with our dearest president, Mr. Robert, who I assign as my scuba daddy, an extremely energetic and incredibly beautiful person by heart, with so much of dedication for ocean conservation. And our forever gorgeous director, friend and mentor, Miss Grace, who is a huge support to all the contestants and makes each one of us feel at home away from home. I was interviewed by different TV channels, radio, newspapers, and magazines. I also had the opportunity to give talk shows on ocean life and conservation and attend various events as the reigning queen and ocean ambassador. I was fortunate to be invited as a Young Achiever of the Year for a high tea at the residence of Vice President of India. This was followed by a meeting with the Union Cabinet Minister Maneka Gandhi. My visit to a blind school has made the students aware of scuba diving and marine conservation. Also this year, I was in the panel of judges for selecting Miss Cuba India 2017. Today, an aquatic lover is standing here to spread the message of ocean conservation to the world as Ocean Ambassador. Our oceans are in grave danger due to lack of information and unhealthy commercialization. Ocean pollution by dumping plastics and chemicals. Overfishing, where a large number of species are on the verge of extinction, with sharks being affected the most. We are on the brink of collapse of the underwater food chain and global warming. Due to global warming and melting of the polar ice cap, the global currents are shifting. These are some of the major problems which can have catastrophic effect. Miss Scuba International is a global voice of conservation of oceans. The problems of ocean pollution and overfishing are global problems, and only by working not as fragmented nation but as one race of human, we can solve this problem. As I said during my grand finale, united we stand, divided we fall. This has been a momentous year for me, and tears threaten to overwhelm me as I say goodbye to this crown and start a new journey today. But as a queen, I will mask my tears with smile and always keep this flag flying high. As Miss Scuba International, I will always keep my promise to spread this beautiful message of saving oceans through beauty. I welcome the Queen of 2017 to the Miss Scuba International family and tell her, when you go home tonight with the crown, tell them of us, the Miss Scuba International, that I have passed on the crown to you for yours and ours better tomorrow together. I will be thankful to Miss Scuba International till eternity for giving me this platform which has completely changed my life. I, Varsha Rajkhwa, your Miss Scuba International 2016, for one last time as the reigning queen, saying goodbye. Thank you.